The Vegetable Summit was held yesterday simultaneously in Scotland, England and here in Wales at the Pier Head. Its aim is to change our dysfunctional food system. Most people have heard about 5 a day, but few actually achieve it. Vegetables should be a fifth of our shopping. We buy less than half that. Sugary, fatty, salty foods are piled high and sold cheap, while some communities are fruit and veg deserts. The advertising industry tries to target children with sugar-loading cereals, drinks and biscuits, and a mere 1.2% of advertising is spent on promoting vegetables. Not surprisingly, nearly 80% of 5 to 10-year-olds do not eat enough vegetables to stay healthy, rising to 95% amongst 11 to 16-year-olds. That drives up obesity, diabetes, heart disease and cancer. The pledges made yesterday include Birmingham, Brighton, Redbridge and Cardiff councils to become veg pioneers, so that growing and eating lots of veg is a normal activity. Lantra and Puffin Produce are working on a plan to increase Welsh veg production by 50% by 2020. Castle Howell is driving up veg sales and putting more veg in its ready meals. Lidl, Tesco, Sainsbury Co-op are all going to put 2 veg in all their main meal dishes, and Greggs will put veg in all its soups and at least half its sandwiches. Cardiff Met will include 2 veg rather than 1 in its canteens at no extra cost, and Charlton House will be trialling free veg upstairs on Fridays. My Peas Please vision for Wales is delicious, accessible, affordable veg where eating it in large quantities is normal.